Welcome to 74 West Clementon Road here in Gibbsboro, New Jersey. I have a brand new construction home. 3 beds, 2.5 baths, 1,676 brand new square feet. And it's built by Creekview Developments. Michael Jaffe is the owner. He's a good friend of mine. He invited me down. Michael's got a magnetic personality and he puts together one heck of a house. And we're going to show that to you right now. Here you have a detached garage, 10 by 20. It's got the glass front and you could fit your car in there. And you have the frost-free spigots here, never freeze in the wintertime, always have water there. Michael, he put in this really terrific asphalt driveway. And here's something that's really, really unique about this house. All these gutters that you see coming down, all these white pipes, all those Y pipes there, they all drain into a central collection area and all the water runs off to the street. So that's some extra accoutrements that most houses don't come with. The front porch is perfect, just the way that you would want a front porch. And of course, it's 74 Clementon Road here, Gibbsboro. By the way, the kids go to Eastern High School. And how about this red door, right? Who doesn't love that? Let's check it out inside. You have a brand new, huge bullpen area, kitchen, family room combo, brand new construction, everything, granite countertops here, gooseneck faucet, stainless steel appliances, as you can see, recessed lights, top of the line vinyl flooring. And I love what Michael did here in the selection of these windows. You have the no grates and then you have the grates up top. That's a super modern look. What's great about this house, it's got 3 bedrooms, but the master here is on the first floor. Who doesn't want that? And you got this really large expanse here, great doors, great hardware on these doors. Check this out. These are heavy duty. These are really, really nice. You got a walk-in closet right here, plenty of storage. And then you have your full bath here right off of the master. Gleaming white, bright, everything. Down this way, you have your half bath that services your public areas of the house. We have the laundry area here on the first floor where it should be. Everything nice and neat, convenient, ready to go for you. Let's make our way upstairs, and there's 2 really nice sized bedrooms up there. We'll call this bedroom number 2. More of the 6 over the open expanse window there where you have a clear view of everything. Same thing on this side, really, really modern. And I absolutely love this hardware. Closets with the vent system in there for shelving. And you have a full bath, of course, that are going to service these beds up here. This one will be bedroom number 3. So another really large expanse here. I absolutely love these dormers. There's so much you could do here. Put a desk, computer area, whatever you wanted to use this space for, and more hardware and closets that can fit, anything that your kids could possibly want to put in there. 1,676 square feet. Of course, you got a brand new electrical box. Everything is brand new construction. Public water and public sewer. You got your HVAC system here, natural gas, and of course that's your air conditioning combo there. And you have this, what everybody wants, the Navian hot water system. This is instant hot water, never run out of hot water when you're taking a shower. And you have plenty of room here and plenty of height to finish this one off whenever you want later down the road. In summary, we have brand new construction here in Gibbsboro, and Gibbsboro is a highly desired area. The kids go to Eastern High School. You have 1,676 square feet, brand new everything, full basement, unfinished, beautiful poured concrete walls, Navian hot water system. Got the granite countertops, L-shaped kitchen, stainless steel, everything, and the sink is the undermount with the gooseneck faucet. It's got a special drainage system that's state-of-the-art that drains all the water away from the house that Michael installed at his expense. And you have a 10 by 20 garage where you can pull right in, park your car. Asphalt driveway, natural gas, everything is in tip-top shape here. So make your appointment. This one is just listed. I suggest that you do that in due time because it's unlikely that this one is gonna last. Hope to see you at the settlement table.